Right everyone, what we have here is a Union 2234. It's a British standard Mortice lock. We have working keys for it. There it is unlocked, and there it is locked. There's your bitting on the key. There's a 3/4 hard plate on this. We are going to get it picked. There is some anti-pick levers in here. So I have to be careful not to overset any of the levers, otherwise we'll be in trouble. There's a lever in here which you have to cork your pick round, which I'm doing now, just to get to one side and back round to the other side, which can be a little bit of a pain. Basically it's a lever sitting on the curtain. A little bit of give there on the bolt. Just going to check over all the levers, making sure I've not overset anything. Gone into anti-pick, that is. It seems to be okay. And there we go, guys. As you can see, the bottle's been retracted back slightly. There we go. Now I'm not going to pick it all the way around, otherwise I'm going to get my pick stuck. So I'm going to put it into a locking position. Quickly take the picks out and take the plate off, and I can show you guys the levers what are inside. Hopefully it doesn't do what my last video did and cut off. Storage memory too full. I do my videos on my phone. If I just put this down, yeah, put it there. Get my phone. There we go. And we can see the levers. We can see the stump. So we just take the levers out individually. Very difficult with one hand. That's 1, 2. Might just have to take my phone down a sec. There we go, come on. We're nearly there. And there is your final one. Right, I'll leave that final one in. So there we go. Anti-pick features in not the third lever, it's the one in the fourth. Yep. You can see they're all quite low sets, to be honest. You don't have to lift that much to set it. You can see the belly on the third one there. That's probably what sits on top of that. But that's the Union 2234 British standard Mortice lock picked. Thanks everyone for watching, and cheers.